In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to beat Martin on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorials, we would like to show you how to beat Martin. And of course, if you want to do that, you would like, of course, first of all, what is Martin? Martin is actually a computer bot, which is actually broken. It's of course a copy of a real person with just a computer. And if you are just new at the chess, you will have to play a lot of chess games first of all, so you can improve your mid game. Maybe play 3 per day, 5 per day, 10 chess games per day, or even more. Whatever you're capable of will be great. Once you do that, you improve your mid game. You will have to go to this left panel, go to learn, and make sure to learn some lessons, some chessable courses, some insights, and the most important two things is just this openings and end games. You would like to know how to start correctly a game without making mistakes and how to end the game without making a lot of blunders. And once you improve all your openings, your mid game, and your end game, just go and play your Martin bots, and I can assure you that you will win against it. And of course, about this learn option, you would like to have like a premium plan so you can get all the features that comes with it so it can be easier for you. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.